Hi friends, welcome to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. Today's video is hetero drugs. You can see walking for position is packing, development, production, and coming to the education and qualification, graduation B.Pharm Mpharm graduates apply to this position and experience to 3 to 9 years of experience and fresher 2001, 2022, 2023 pass outs. These walk-in are conducted at 28th July 2024 Saturday and time is 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. and venue is Hetero Labs Limited, Hyderabad. If you have any query, please send resume to mention email ID. Please refer description box for HR email ID. For more job updates, please join our WhatsApp group. Our WhatsApp group link is available in description box below. These are the details regarding walk-in interview. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and share to your friends and family members. Thank you for watching this video. For job updates, subscribe to YouTube channel Pharma Job Alert. Bye. See you in the next video.